Oh, ho, 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 are you going to love today's topic to get you some buyers as a real estate agent? Listen, if you've been selling real estate for a while, you absolutely know it's tougher than ever to get a buyer to work with you exclusively. I want to give you an offer today that you can utilize. You're going to absolutely love this because it's a new offer. Nobody in your marketplace is doing it, and you're going to know the second you hear this can make a drastic difference to your real estate business because the buyers will absolutely love it. So in a different location here today, I'm in front of a very bright window, as you can probably see. I've got a lot of light on me here, but I was just talking to another agent on one of our coaching calls here, and we were talking about the best offer that's working to pick up buyers in today's market. And I want you to think about this for a second. So the idea for you to pick up home buyers really comes down to, do you have an offer they're interested in? They're not interested in you showing them homes or representing their best interest. Nobody cares about that stuff anymore. So really, no matter how many leads you're getting, they're not going to convert for you. That's just something they're not interested in getting. But I'm going to give you an offer that if you put it out there today, run the ad on Craigslist, run the ad on Facebook Marketplace, do a quick video, post it to your Facebook business page, and promote it to people within 15 miles of your area. Tell me, I'll tell you what I'll do to help you out here. And you want to take notes because I'm getting ready to give you the script. I'm going to show you exactly how I would shoot the video. I want you to listen to this, and I want you to tell me if you like this offer. So I'm going to kind of role play this video. You can do it exactly the same way. You can post this to your Facebook page, and then you can spend $5 a day to get it in front of lots of home buyers in your area. So let me give you this script. Here's exactly what I'd say. I'd do a quick little video from my cell phone just like this. I'd probably get a little better lighting, but I would do a cell phone video just like this, and here's what I'd say. Tell me if you like this offer. So it'd sound like this. Hey, it's Greg Luther here, your local Central Ohio real estate specialist, and I wanted to talk to you about something you may not have thought about, and it's what's getting ready to happen to your retirement account. You know, if you've got a 401k account, congratulations, your 401k is higher than it's ever been as long as you've been alive. That's a direct reflection on what's going on in the economy right now. The stock market's higher than it's ever been, and of course your 401k is based on stocks and bonds and mutual funds and all that stuff. I got some bad news for you. I'm sure you've heard we're getting ready to go into a recession. And what that means is, as the market starts to slow, your 401k will go down. Did you know you can cash out your 401k with no penalty and use it towards a down payment on a house, and you have zero penalty in doing so, and that's a more stable investment for you? Here's what I mean by that. Let's say, as an example, your 401k is worth $20,000 right now. Why do you want to ride the market down where it's worth $10,000 or $12,000 when you could cash that out with no penalty, use that towards a down payment on your property, and preserve that amount of money? If it's $20,000 in the house, it's $20,000 in the house. Now, if you talk to some of the economists, or you look at some of these videos that you can easily find online from some of the economists, they're going to tell you that while the market is going to go down and the economy is going to go down, they do not anticipate real estate crashing this time. They anticipate real estate slowing to a more reasonable 2% appreciation per year. Which means if you've got $20,000, do you think it's safer right now sitting in a 401k or using it to buy your family's very own home? Might be something for you to look at. I definitely recommend you check out your financial advisor and talk to them about it, but I can help you. If you're looking to buy a home anywhere here in Central Ohio, I can help you with that. Give me a call. Now, how do you like that video? What do you think as a real estate agent? If you see a video like that they had no idea the 401k offer is something they should be looking at right now, you can shoot a video like that. You can actually do it in text, by the way. If you're worried about, I don't want to be on video, you can do a text ad. Run that on Facebook Marketplace. Run that on Facebook in general. Put it on everybody's wall, on their news feed. You can run it in Craigslist. You can send it out email to all of your unconverted leads. There's so many ways you can create this offer and get it out there to the general marketplace. So let me give it to you again for those of you that are taking notes. Your 401k is worth a whole lot of money right now, and it's getting ready to not be worth a whole lot of money. Did you know you can cash out your 401k and use it towards the purchase of a house? I'd love to be the realtor to help you with that. Let's get in touch with your financial advisor, make sure it makes sense, but let's cash out while that baby's high. right? It's a lot more money now than it's going to be in a year or two. So let's put it somewhere that's a little more safe. And by the way, you get to kind of own a home with your family. So great offer that you might want to think about. I hear from agents all the time that say, you know, what offers should I be using to attract more buyers and sellers? They don't care about working with you. You can't promote yourself enough to work with them. You have to have a good offer that makes sense. I haven't even told, for those of you that are in my inner circle coaching, this is the very first you've heard about it. I'm doing a special call next week for our inner circle members on how you create offers that you can put out to the general public to get them interested in working with you. So here's a good offer that's working in today's market. Put it out there. Here's another one that's working. Put it out there. Here's a couple you can use for buyers. Here's a couple you can use for sellers. Put it out there. There's so many ways you can make money. And the problem is we just don't think about it. You can see, actually, Jennifer just commented here. She said, holy macaroni, I didn't even know that, right? So there's so many offers we can do. A lot of times I'll be talking about that to the Inner Circle members next week. We're going to talk about getting with your lender to find out offers that they have for financing that you can put out there, which will make people work with you. Let me give you another one. Here's the script right here. Let me give you another one. Hey, if you live in the Central Ohio area and you're self-employed, there's a really good chance you don't claim all of your income. And the bad part about that is when you're going to qualify for buying a house for your family, you don't show enough income to qualify for the house that you really could afford. We actually work with a lender here. They have prearranged financing where they will work with self-employed people, and rather than asking for your tax returns, they just want your last 6 months' bank statements. So the way they look at it, if you got the money in the bank, you qualify, right? So they won't even ask for your tax returns. You'll never submit them. These lenders will just get your last 6 months bank statements. And here's the best part. It's not hard money. It's at conventional rates. There's no crazy points or any of that stuff. So if you are self-employed, that's something you might want to look at. Get with me. I'll get you some details. How do you like that offer? Right? So there's tons and tons of business opportunities that you can put out there for them to educate them. As an example, on that 401k, to answer some of your questions, I know some of you are commenting here. Tracy's saying, do you have to pay that 401k back? No, you do not. Many of you know, like, if you have a 401k, we don't have that because we're real estate agents, but if you have a 401k, you can cash out at any time and go spend it on a party if you want, but you're going to pay a 10% penalty and taxes and all that stuff. But if you cash it out to be used towards your primary residence, there's no penalty, there's no payback. And again, we can't give financial advice. I don't advise that you do, but get in front, have them get in front of their financial advisor, and he'll be like, yeah, or she'll say, yeah, there's no penalty. You can use that towards a house. Well, wouldn't a house be a lot safer during this upcoming market correction as opposed to having it in the stock market? Yeah, that is a safer bet. Okay, well, let's take it out. Okay, check with them. You may have the ability to, when the market changes again, do a refi and put that back in your 401k if you want. Check with your advisor. We can give advice on how to do it. But again, these are offers that work really well. For those of you that are involved in Greg Luther Inner Circle, I've got an outstanding coaching call. You guys have been on our calls. You know how good they are. Next week, we're doing one. I haven't even announced it to them. It's a special one I'm putting together because it's just before our retreat. We didn't even have one scheduled. But I'm going to show everybody how you put these offers together. If you're interested in getting better offers for buyers and sellers, I want you to go to getfastclosings.com when you have 40 minutes available, because you're going to be able to register for a video, a complete training that shows you offers and ads and scripts. You can take pictures of it. You can take notes, actually implement this the right way. But I want to point something out to you. I don't know where you live. I don't know what market you're in, but I can bet you any amount of money you want to bet that you and I can have a handful of buyers tomorrow in your marketplace if we advertise that 401k offer. If we just put it out there, if you put it out there by yourself, you can keep all the money. But tomorrow, 24 hours from right now, we will not have one and we will not have two buyers. We will have a good handful of qualified buyers that say, hey, I don't have any money. I don't have a down payment, but my credit score is 688 and I've got $27,000 in my 401k. Can I do this? Hell yes, you can. Let me get in touch with you. Let me meet you face to face. We'll call my lender on speakerphone and we're going to get you a house. Okay, so it's very easy to do. The reason you're struggling as a real estate agent is your offer sucks. You got to have better offers that the buyers and sellers are interested in. Go to getfastclosings.com. When you register on that, it'll give you like 5 minutes to get your camera phone ready and get some note paper and all that. And I'll spend 40 minutes with you. You can't pause it or anything, so have 40 minutes available. I'm going to show you how to grow your real estate business. And those of you that are involved in Greg Luther Inner Circle, listen to me. Wait till you see next week's training. I'm going to give you all the offers. I'm going to give you examples of the ads. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. You're about to start selling a lot more houses. So big benefit come holiday time here. Do you agree? You get a few more closings. Life's going to be good. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Have some better offers. Put them out there to the general public. Know how to put them together. Again, I'll be showing you all that on our coaching call. Can't do it on a 10-minute video here. We can damn sure do it on an Inner Circle video conference where all of our members can ask their questions, get it all addressed, and get everything you need. Make it a profitable day. Let me know how I can help you. Again, register at getfastclosings.com so you can watch that video training. And again, for all of you that are involved in Inner Circle, wait till you see what we cover next week. Life's about to get good. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.